morning. Tuning in to Notations of an Happy Girl, episode 33. Um, as the year is coming to a close, I wanted to talk about change. Last week I talked about resolutions and not having resolutions, making goals and things like that. And I actually want to stay on that track. Here's the funny thing about change. There are certain things in your life that you cannot change, depending upon what they are. You cannot change other people. You cannot change certain situations. Certain things were just meant to be as they are. Those things, you leave them by the wayside and you allow God, the universe, or whatever entity it is that you believe in to change those things. Now, things that you have control over, let me adjust. Things that you have control over, like your life. Certain aspects of your life you can change. You want to change your weight. Change how you eat. You don't necessarily have to do something drastic like get weight loss surgery or start counting calories or join some expensive diet or exercise plan. Change little things. Change is pretty much the same as having goals. Make them accessible to yourself. Do not tell yourself something outlandish like, oh, I'm going to lose 100 pounds. May not happen. And then what happens when it does not happen? You begin to internalize what it is that did not go right. Same thing with your appearance. You want to change it? Change it. You want to do something different with your hair? Do it. I'm currently in the middle of a twist out. I know I look a little crazy, but I did not want to delay the message because I felt like my appearance was not top notch. The way you live your life, that can be changed. If you surround yourself with negative people, tell yourself this year, I'm going to make a goal of removing those people one by one. Do not hold on to things that do not benefit you. Sometimes we are a blessing to other people by simply walking away from those people. Sometimes we enable people to hurt us, hold us back, hold us down, limit our abilities, limit our possibilities, and everything else of that nature. If you're going to change, make that promise to yourself. Make that declaration to yourself and nobody else. It is yours and yours alone. It is your journey to walk. And that's what you have to do. Decide on something and walk that path to get you to where you want to go. We must, as a people, stop hanging up on changing things that we have no control over. We cannot change our partners. We cannot love them harder, love them more, love them less, whatever the case may be, and expect them to change to our liking. You have the person that you're with, accept them for who they are, and work with them to make whatever necessary changes. But the change has to be made by them and them alone. You cannot make someone be more affectionate. You cannot make someone be more sexual, more attentive, or less, depending on, your situation. You can't. You can expound upon your ideals, your wishes, and your desires. That's it. The same works for your business life, your professional life. You can only tell your boss, I want a raise. I want better hours. I want this. I want that. Then you must walk the path of making your boss see you in that light so that they see you as being worthy of those changes that you want. Same thing goes for people with kids. You can't change your kid. I'm sorry. Kids come from two people, which means that's two different types of DNA, two temperaments, two attitudes, two belief systems, two values, everything. Your kid is not just your kid. Trust me, I've learned that the hard way. But I can't take my son and say, I want you to be this straight A Einstein. If that might not have been in his genes. Might have got it from my side, might have got something else from the other side. No one is to say how we build up as people. What I can do is I can influence. I can't judge them. I can't change them. I can't fix anything that I see is broken. But I can influence positively. Keep away from the negative influence. Keep away from the massive criticisms, because then that makes you no better than anybody else. That makes you an emotional and psychological vampire. And that's not what we want to be. I'm going to wrap up by simply saying that any changes you make in your life have to be changes that you feel are needed. You can't change for somebody else, no better than you can change somebody else. It's all within your grasp, and it's all within you to do it. Recognize your greatness and build upon it. Nobody is perfect. I tell people all the time, I am as perfectly imperfect as anybody can get. I have my beliefs, I have my views, but I cannot impose those on other people. I had somebody message me and say, well, why do you mention God in your stuff? What if a person is an atheist? I have friends who are atheists. I have friends who are Buddhist. I have friends who are Jehovah Witnesses, Muslims, so on and so forth. Though the entity, the supreme being, the creator, what have you, that we all believe in goes by different names depending on your organized religion, I can't change anybody's views on that. I speak on what I know. And I try to be open enough so that I don't influence or upset anybody with my particular opinion. I believe in God. That is my opinion. So I'm going to state that when I'm speaking on it. But at the same time, I'm not cramming that down your throat. Like you got to say Merry Christmas and you got to do this. Or because I'm black, I have to adhere to Kwanzaa. Or because, I know someone who's Jewish, they have to adhere to Hanukkah. You don't have to adhere to anything. You adhere to that which moves you, that which you believe in. And guess what? As we get older, our thought processes change. Our belief systems change. So you never know where somebody may end up. And that's all I'm saying. Changes within you. Start your changes within you. And it will slowly seep out into the world that surrounds you. And then the things around you will begin to change. But it starts at home. It starts in here, starts up here. I'm simply saying, your change is your change. Embrace it and move forward with it. That's my message for today, people. I hope somebody got something out of it. Peace and blessings.